The whole bridge just fell down. The whole bridge just collapsed.
This morning at an NTSB hearing, we expect to learn what likely caused a massive container ship to slam into Baltimore's Francis Scott Key Bridge in March of 2024, and what might have been done to prevent it. It was just before 1:30 in the morning as 8 construction workers on a break sat in their cars in the middle of the bridge, unaware that the 947-foot dolly container ship had lost power and was about to collide with the bridge.
There's a ship approaching. It just lost their steering. So until you get that under control, we got to stop all traffic.
Police were able to block traffic on the bridge just seconds before it crumbled, but 7 of those workers slid into the Patapsco River. Only 1 was rescued. We were at the site just days after the collapse. You're looking at now some of the first pieces that were cut, and they're waiting to be removed. It took more than a month to clear away enough wreckage to recover the missing. Earlier this year, the NTSB said Maryland's Transportation Department had not assessed the bridge's vulnerability.
Had the MDTA conducted a vulnerability assessment of the Key Bridge based on recent vessel traffic, the MDTA would have been able to proactively identify strategies to reduce the risk of a collapse and loss of lives associated with a vessel collision with the bridge.
Even if the assessment had been completed, the impact may have simply been too much.
I don't know that any of the modern protections would have absorbed enough energy to prevent this collapse.
Civil engineering professor Aaron Bell says the NTSB report will also look beyond just this incident.
It will not just focus on this particular failure, but what can we put in place to make sure that this doesn't happen again?
Now, the NTSB says it's also flagged 68 bridges in 19 states as needing urgent assessment of their potential for collapse in a collision with a ship. We understand that many of those states have already completed or have planned inspection of their bridges, and ultimately that should help them reduce the risk of bridges being vulnerable to collapse. Savannah?
Aaron Gilchrist, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.